Okay, so welcome to part B of tutorial 3 in composition and songwriting. So as mentioned in the last video, we are going to look now at the rhythm of the words themselves and how that affects the shape of the song. And this is known as metre, or the metre. So metre is a term that's first used in poetry, I think, and is also used in music. So you might be aware of this term already. A music meter is used to refer to how a piece of music is to be counted in bars or chunks or segments, and how we count within a bar itself. So, for example, in a standard bar of 4 beats, how many beats do we count if we were playing a piece of music before we start the bar or sequence again? So do we count all 4 beats before we return to 1 again? If you're familiar with drumming, this might be something that makes sense to you when you'll recognise what I'm saying there. So okay then, how does that apply to the words in a song? Individual words have a beat count to them, as in the number of beats it takes to say a word. Now these beats are known as syllables, and lots of the words we use have just 1 syllable. Now this is my way of explaining it, and it might not fit exactly with a proper and correct English language way of describing syllables, so I don't want to get in trouble with English teachers here or language specialists. This is just how I'm going to explain what syllables are and how them might be described as having, they might be the word it's used to describe the beat of a word. So just as in music, for a piece of music not to sound jaunty or unnatural, the beat count in each bar or segment generally stays the same. So this is also true for poetry or lyrics in a song. So we'll try an example, or we'll use the example that we used in part A. So what is the beat count or syllable count for each word in the line "This is easy as pie"? Yeah, so we've got the word "this is easy as pie." So what is the beat or syllable count for each of those words? So it's 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. So this is 1 syllable, is 1 syllable, as 1 syllable, easy has 2 syllables, easy, and pie has 1 syllable. So this is, as, and pie all have 1 syllable, and easy has 2 syllables. So to have a line that fits nicely in rhyme to this, we should use a line with the same syllable count or structure. In other words, it should align with the word beats in the same place. So as an example line that will pair with our first line in this way, I'm going to use the line, "I don't even know why." So this is the same amount of syllables and in the same places. So the syllable count is in the same place as in the first line. So putting the 2 lines together, we have "This is easy as pie. I don't even know why." Yeah. So this is easy as pie. I don't even know why. So the syllable count there is the same, isn't it? So both lines have exactly the same syllable count with the number of syllables in the same places, and the last word of both lines rhymes. Doesn't have to, but in this case it rhymes. So, okay. Hopefully from that you will get the idea of what is meant by metre and how we can use it to make lines of a song fit together in rhyme and rhythm. Now, another reason why it's useful to understand metre and to apply it to writing the lines of a song is that it will make it easy to shape the rhythm of the music of the song. as in the tempo and rhythm pattern, if you haven't already written the music. So you've got the line first and you haven't written the music yet. Because the meter of the words needs to fit the meter of the music. So that's going to give you help in in the shaping of the tempo and rhythm of the music, if you've got the tempo and the rhythm of the first line or a couple of lines of the lyrics. So next we will take a look at rhyming structures.